Tucker's helping Daddy do dishes.
Go ahead. There we go. Here we go.
I can't get mine.
Here's a bowl. Here.
I got a bowl, huh?
Okay, here's a cup.
What? Good job loading that dishwasher, Buddy Bear. There you go.
There you go.
Got it? You are just doing such an amazing good job. You know what? Nana would be so proud of you fitting all those on the top shelf. You got a lot in there. All right. There's no poop in there. No, Daddy, yeah, see, Daddy, he knows which one needs to go on the top. You're not picking the right stuff.
Huh? This one? Here. Yeah.
It's all gone.
Put it in the dishwasher.
Does that make you sad it's all gone?
Okay, let's put it in there.
That's yours. Yeah, we got to wash it first, baby. Oh, my.
Hey, it shuts. I can't believe you've done such a good job, Tucker. You've done an awesome job. Daddy's proud of you. Yeah.
Oh, my.
Okay, here we go. Good job.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, no, you got it on the floor?
Here.
It's okay. Daddy will clean it up.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, you want to come watch cartoons? Good job helping Daddy, baby.
Go watch TV. No, go watch TV. Daddy will do this. Go on, go
Come
watch
on.
TV.